Hey everyone, my name is Katura and I'm the Notary Community Manager at BlueNotary and a licensed New York State Notary Public. Today I want to answer some of the most common questions people ask me about notarizations, what we do, what we look for, and what we absolutely can't do. So let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is a notary? A notary is a public official authorized by the state to verify identity and witness signatures on important documents. Basically, I'm there to make sure that the person signing is who they say they are and that they're signing willingly. Another question that comes up a lot is, why do I even need a notary? I'm here to prevent fraud and protect all parties involved. So that means checking your ID and confirming your identity. Everything I do goes into my notary journal as an official record. So using the Blue Notary platform helps me feel secure knowing that I have state-of-the-art verification software and record storage behind me. So let's talk about my list of notary no-nos by asking the question, why can't you notarize my document? Well, if I can't properly identify you, I can't notarize. If you appear confused, intoxicated, or coerced, I can't notarize. If your document has blank spaces, I can't notarize that either. The document has to be complete. And here's another question. Is this document correct? Should I do this or that to the document? As a notary, I have to stay in my lane. I'm not an attorney. That means I can't tell you if a document is legal, accurate, or good to sign. I can't interpret the contents, give advice, or tell you what to choose in your document. So to sum it up, my job as a notary is to verify, witness, and protect. And when done correctly, notarizations help prevent fraud and make sure documents stand up under legal scrutiny. So I hope this helped you better understand what notaries actually do. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.